What you doing? Of course you're playing peekaboo. Right? Tell everybody what you're doing outside. Say it's nice outside today. Not extremely warm, but it's nice and sunny. And we got a chance to bring Ricco outside. Just in his little carrier cage. I don't have his outdoor cage ready. I know. And I always recommend to be safe when you bring your birds outside. Either in a carrier cage or harness, even if they are clipped, because they can gain flight with a little bit of wind. Unfortunately, those are usually the ones that don't make it, especially because of predators. And did you just do poopy? Ricco. And I also, as you can see, I add the tie rods, the tie wraps on his cage just to be safe, because if ever it comes apart, it's for any mishaps. Yeah. Do you want to wish everybody a happy St. Patrick's Day today? Ricco. Ricco? Do you want to wish everybody happy St. Patrick's Day? No? What you doing? Are you enjoying the sun? Okay, do you want to say bye-bye to everybody? Ricco. Ricco? You want to say bye to everybody? He's too busy listening to birdies and watching the cars. And I never leave them unattended either. Right? Okay, say everybody have a good day. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye, everybody. Love you guys. Bye. Have a good day, everybody. Say bye.